Hello, everyone. Daniel. It's not my name. Dean here. Sorry, Daniel's my middle name. Today we'll be playing Angry Birds Star Wars. Okay, let's see. Stupid! And here, we'll be doing 10 levels a day. No matter how long it takes, because it's probably going to take a while since not the best at Angry Birds. Somewhat good, I guess. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to be playing, what was it? Angry Birds School? Yeah, because I hate that game. I thought it'd be funner. Sorry to all you who like that game. Like, I respect that you guys like it. I just my opinion, I don't like it. Okay. What's his name? Han Solo? Is that his name? Wait, can't he, like, do a sword thing? Oh, I thought he could. I played this before. Doesn't he have, like, a sword thing? I thought he had one of those. What? This is Asian if it doesn't have a sword. Wait, is Angry Birds Asian? That'd be fun. Wait, is Oh my god. Oh, that was boss. See, I ate the piggies for supper. I'm eating piggies for, like, breakfast, bacon, lunch, ham and cheese sandwich, and supper, just plain old ham. And the ads. I will only do some power-ups when I'm really stuck on it. Which is, like, probably gonna happen soon. Okay, never mind. I'll be doing more than 10 levels. So I'll just try to keep my videos not long. Like, keep them around 15 to 10 minutes. So, yeah. And guys, I posted my first video earlier today. So, I got 1 view. Why does everyone hate me? Oh my god, I already failed in this, like, what was it? No. Nobody likes me. Anyway, guys, please like and subscribe. I will become the best YouTuber in Nova Scotia. Okay. Not that I live in Nova Scotia. Okay, I do. But I'm not telling you what place I live in Nova Scotia. As long as I become better YouTuber than my friend. She has like 750 subscribers. I hate you. That game. I miss. I missed and I won. That's illegal in some countries. Oh, how did I press this? Bonus level! Alright. Hey, what's that do? Oh my god, it's another thing. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's Han Solo. Like the guy with the cape. Yep, that guy's Han Solo, because he came first. Comment down below if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Han Solo. Oh! That was awesome. Did you see how I handled that so well? yeah, I remember these guys. Oh, so close. So easy. Hit him. You son of a... Go. Oh. Didn't even have to hit him. I'm just that. Flip. Just so you guys know, I'm black. No, I'm not, but I guess I was black. I'm almost black, actually. I'm like tan. And I got tan since I went to camp. Obviously, you can't see that. Eventually, someday, I'll get a face cam. And I'll, like, do better videos than just playing games. Just right now, I'm recording on my phone. Pet monster. Just forget that. Yes, I do. That was awesome. Another thing. Okay, we got carried away. Big whoop. Stop looking at me that way, Han Solo. I'm pretty sure this is the main character, like the Jedi guy. What happened? I got a sword now, don't I? I bet you do. I was right. I was right, you do get a sword. To all you who were thinking that was stupid, I was right. So, yeah. Told you I played. Oh my god. Go. Hit the TNT. That works too. Let's go, Daniel. Life just happens. I'm good at this game. Okay, I did say it's bad, but oh, you can hit them. I didn't know that. Oh, to my advantage. You know I'm not wearing a shirt right now. Good. No! If he didn't kill that guy, he would have kept... Oh my god. That's illegal. Oh, she said she had no nipple. I need friends. I need just. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm not even a Canadian. Yeah, I live in Canada then. I'm a Peruvian. I'm proud of it. I'm Peruvian and proud. What, they bounce? That's cool. Penis! Now that reminds me of playing chicken with my friends. No, wait, not chicken, playing penis. So, one person... No, wait, what? One person, yells penis, and the other person has to yell penis too. And each time the person has to yell it louder and stuff. And it's really fun. Okay, we got this time. No! Penis. Oh, in case I sound like a girl, I'm a guy. I'm 13. Stupid. And my name? Oh, I just did that. I actually just did that. Wait, what? What? That's anal. Stupid. I will beat this level and then I will finish the video. But no matter what happens, I will beat this level. Okay. I also hit the pinky. Yes, I do. Okay, I got this. Whoa. Wait, no, I got distracted. There's a freaking golden egg right there. What's that do? Actually, I'm gonna play one more level. I'm good at this game. Take that. No! I'll do this. Yes! Yes! My nipples are so hard now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. And you'll see me tomorrow. Yeah. See ya, people.